हेलो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज राकेश और आप देख रहे हैं स्पेशल ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम के पार्ट 6 में, जिसमें कि आज हम कवर करेंगे ओरेकल एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डेटाबेस के टॉपिक्स। इसमें बेसिकली फंडामेंटल ऑफ ओरेकल एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डेटाबेस, ओरेकल क्लाइंट एंड ओरेकल सर्वर, मेमोरी कंप्यूटर components of oracles and various background process, PCN, SGA, etc. Okay, so I think that you have already just watched our videos related to the Dbms. So let's start the today's MCQs, which is related to the fundamental of Oracle and distributed database. So let's start, aspirants. So question number 1 is, the dash consists of physical file and memory components. The consist of physical files and memory components. So options are A, Oracle client, B, Oracle server, Oracle middleware, Oracle instance. So obviously Oracle server is the right answer. Okay, so question number 2, the dash consists of the memory component of Oracle and various background process. So Oracle parameter, Oracle profiles, Oracle process, Oracle instance. So Oracle instance. Okay, the Oracle instance consists the memory components of Oracle's video background process. Okay, now take a next question. Question number 3, the Oracle instance is made up of the dash and the background process. So SGA, OGA, PGA and PSA. So obviously system global area SGA. The Oracle instance is made up of the SGA and the background processes. Okay, now take a question number 4, the background process of the Oracle instance are responsible for performing which input output functions? Synchronization or synchronization, both of above, none of above. Okay, so asynchronous, B is the right answer. The background process of the Oracle instance and the responsible for performing asynchronous input output functions. Now take our next question. Question number 5, the PGA used to process dash and to hold logon and other session information. So SQL statement, server process, user process and share statement. So SQL statement, basically the PGA used to SQL statement and to hold logon to other session information. Okay, now take a question number 6, in SGA. Okay, the content of the memory area shared by the multiple user is called as read log buffer, database buffer cache and share pools and loss pools. Share pool. Okay, in SGA the content of the memory area shared by the multiple users is called a share pool. Okay, now take a question number 7, in Oracle database dash contain the data dictionary and user created data file. Okay, in an Oracle database the data file contains a data dictionary and user created data. So A, data file is the right answer. Now take the next question. Question number 8, the dash keep a record of the name, size, location, different physical files of the Oracle database. Data file, control file, read log file, password file. So obviously control file. The control file keep the record of the name and the size, location, different physical file of the Oracle database. Now take the next question. Question number 9, in Oracle database dash is used to hold the name and privilege user to who have been granted the SYSDBA and SYSOPR role. Okay, SYSDBA and SYSOPR role. So options are basically A, data file, B, control file, C, read log file and D, password file. So obviously D, password file is the right answer. In the Oracle database the password file is used to hold the name and full user to have been granted the SYSDBA and SYSOPR role. Now take a next question. Question number 10, in Oracle the end of the transactions in Oracle the end of the transaction is recorded in the which file? Data, control, read log and password. So obviously read log files. In the Oracle, the end of the transactions is recorded in the read log files. Now take the next question, question number 11. So DAS is the collection of memory structure of the Oracle background process that operate against the Oracle database. So database, instance, table space and segments. So this instance is the collection of memory structure and Oracle background process that operate against the Oracle database. Now take a question number 12. Okay, or DAS is a logical group of database, logical group, okay, of database object, usually to facilitate security, okay, facilitate security's performance of the availability of database such as table indexes or table space, segment, extent and blocks. This table space. A table space is a logical group of database object usually facilitates and security's performance of the availabilities of the database objects such as tables and indexes. So B, A is option. A is the table space is the right answer. Now take the next question, question number 13. A table space is further broken down into table space, segment, extend and blocks. Obviously segment, okay. So table space is further broken down into segment. Now take a question number 14. DAS is the contiguous group of the block allocating the use of a part of table, index and so forth. Table space, segment, extend and block. So obviously the answer is extend. Extend is the contiguous group of the blocks allocated the use of a part of table, index and so forth. C is the right answer, the extend. Now take a question number 15. In the smallest unit of allocations of the Oracle database, the smallest unit of the allocation in the database instance, tables space and database block. So database block is the smallest unit of the allocations of an Oracle database. Okay, this is the right answer. Now take a question number 16. An Oracle DAS is a set of table and view that are used as a read-only reference about the database. So database, dictionary, dictionary tables, data dictionary and dictionary. Okay, so data dictionary, an Oracle data dictionary is a set of table that view that the use of the read-only reference about the database. Okay, data dictionary is the right answer. Now take a question number 17. A data dictionary is created when a created database. Obviously, data dictionary is created when a created database. Now take a question number 18. An Oracle object type has two part of the okay. So first is segment and second is block. Oracle object type two part of the segment and block. Okay, segment and block, instance and body, separation and body and body in the segment. So Oracle object has two part of the. So first is specifications and second is body. So C is the right answer. Okay, specifications and body. Now take a question number 19. By default Oracle object type of. By default Oracle object types are. Options are instance tables, not instantiables, and finals and overriding. So instantiables is the right answer A. Now take a last question of this MCQs. From 20s, a method modifier tell Oracle that new subtype may not override a method is called. Okay, so options are here: instantiables, not instantiables, C finals and D overrides. Okay, so C final is the right answer. The method modifier tell Oracle that new subtypes may not override a method is called final. Okay, so I hope aspirants you like our MCQs related to the Oracle series. So thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share our videos. Thank you for